Understanding burnout and furnace in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore two interesting English phrases, burnout and furnace. These terms are often used in different contexts and have unique meanings. Understanding them can really enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in. Burnout is a term often used to describe a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. It occurs when you feel overwhelmed, emotionally drained, and unable to meet constant demands. In the workplace, burnout is often the result of long-term, unresolved stress that can adversely affect your job performance and overall well-being. On the other hand, a furnace is a piece of equipment used for heating. It's a large appliance found in many homes and buildings and is used to heat the space, especially during cold weather. Furnaces can run on various fuel sources, including natural gas, oil, or electricity. Interestingly, both terms can be used metaphorically. Burnout can describe situations outside the workplace where someone is feeling drained or overworked. A furnace, metaphorically, might refer to an intensely hot or challenging situation. For example, a very competitive work environment might be described as a furnace. 1. Job burnout refers to feeling disillusioned about one's work. 2. Burnout syndrome, a medical term describing chronic workplace stress. 3. Like a furnace, used to describe extremely hot weather or temperatures. I hope this video helps you understand the terms burnout and furnace and their uses in English. Remember, language is not just about words but the context and emotion they convey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.